Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator of PG Department of Commerce, Pokemon University, Vyasavihar, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, as I am discussing the 70 vital MCQs from the financial services, from the Indian financial system, as well as so some of the questions you will get from the fundamentals of banking or the bank management. So friends, so I have prepared these 70 vital MCQs on your demand, on your request. So far as today's discussion, आज का discussion will be very useful and fruitful होगा, particularly those who are going to appear the upcoming, that is the SSC PGT examinations, as well as आज का discussion will be very useful and fruitful होगा, particularly for the UGC NET JEE for the subject of कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट एज वेल एज द सो आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली इन दैट इज द PhD एंड द PG एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट MFC इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट. सो फॉर आज का डिस्कशन विल ऑल्सो बी वेरी यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दैट इज द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द BCom, MCom, MBA and BBA, also economics and other related subjects. So I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So I am requesting to all of you again, don't skip the video from beginning to till end. You stay with me, definitely you will be very much comfortable upcoming, that is the SSC PGT examination as well as the board examination and other related examination. Friends, it's the part 3. I have already posted 2 parts. So before discussion, I am requesting to all of you to go to the playlist into, that is the ASSB series as well as the PhD series as well as UGC NET JRFA series. There I have already discussed the important concepts and meanings. So friends, here only will discuss the questions and answers. So the first one MCQ: unit banking system has been originated from which country, whether UK, USA, China, Germany? Friends, so B is the right option. So unit banking system has been originated from USA, United States of America. Then the Hire Purchase Act is what, whether 1970 or 1971 or 72 or 1973? Friends, so C is the right option. Hire Purchase Act is 1972. C is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे, the amount paid at the time of hire purchase agreement is called क्या, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether down payment or cash price or hire purchase price और installment. हम इसको बोलेंगे क्या फ्रेंड्स, सो डाउन पेमेंट. द अमाउंट पेड एट द टाइम ऑफ हायर परचेज एग्रीमेंट इज नोन एज और कॉल्ड व्हाट, द डाउन पेमेंट. नेक्स्ट वन MCQ हम देखेंगे, ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी इज प्रोवाइडेड टू होम, वेदर द सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट्स होल्डर और फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट अकाउंट्स होल्डर और करेंट अकाउंट्स होल्डर और RD अकाउंट्स होल्डर. RD मतलब रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट होल्डर. So friends, so C is the right option. So overdraft facility is provided to whom? To the current account holder. Next one हम देखेंगे, depreciation on hire purchase assets is claimed by whom, whether hire purchaser or vendor or agent or seller. Friends, so A is the right option. Depreciation on hire purchase assets is claimed by hire purchaser. Next one हम देखेंगे, NPA stands for what, whether net performing assets or non-payment assets or non-profitable assets or non-performing assets. So friends, so it's NPA stands for non-performing assets. Again, I am requesting to all of you friends, kindly go to the playlist, that is the Indian financial system, that is the banking and insurance MCQs. So there, so detail I have already discussed what is the meaning of NPA and when and how the NPA is declared by a bank. So next one हम देखेंगे, which market is for the financial assets which have a long or indefinite maturity period, whether money market or capital market or secondary market or all the above. friends. So B is the right option. So capital market is for financial assets which have a long or indefinite period. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस ऑन व्हिच डेट, whether 12th May 1982 or 12th June 1982 or 12th July 1982 or 19th August 1982. Friends, so C is the right option. NABARD came into existence on that is the 12th July 1992. Next one हम देखेंगे NABARD was dedicated to which Prime Minister of India, whether Lal Bahadur Shastri or Morarji Desai or Gulzari Lal Nanda or Indira Gandhi. Friends, so D is the right option. NABARD was dedicated to Indira Gandhi, who was the ex and former Prime Minister of India. Next one हम देखेंगे NABARD was established with an initial capital of how much, whether 100 crores or 500 crores or 700 crores or 1000 crores. Friends, so A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे NBFC नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनी is registered under which act, whether Banking Regulation Act 1949 or RBI Act 1934 or Indian Companies Act 1956. Now friends, New Companies Act is 2013 or RRBI Act 1976. So friends, so C is the right option. So NBFC is registered according to Indian Companies Act. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे NABARD was set up on the recommendations of which committee, or whether Malhotra committee or Sivaraman committee or Narasimhan II or second committee or the Kumar Mangalam committee. Friends, so B is the right option. NABARD was set up on the recommendations of Sivaraman committee. Next one हम देखेंगे RRB were set up on the recommendations of which committee, whether Malhotra committee or Bhagavati committee or Narasimhan committee or Kumar Mangalam committee. Friends, so C is the right option. RRBs were set up on the recommendation of Narasimhan committee. C is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे NBFC performs a great role to grant the finance to which sector, whether small scale and retail sector, medium scale industries, large scale industries or wholesale sector. So friends, so A is the right option. NBFC performs a great role to grant the finance to small scale and retail sector in India. Next one हम देखेंगे from the following which one is correct. Electronic POS card system, that is the electronic debit dealings. EFT POS, it's the online debit or PIN debit. C, it's the offline debit or signature debit. D, it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option. So A, B, C are true or correct. Next one हम देखेंगे प्रीपेड बैंक कार्ड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज व्हाट, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, कन्वीनियंस कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड और बैंक गिफ्ट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड. सो फ्रेंड्स, सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. द प्रीपेड बैंक कार्ड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज व्हाट, बैंक गिफ्ट कार्ड. सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे व्हिच बैंक इज द फर्स्ट नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक इन इंडिया, whether State Bank of India or Reserve Bank of India or Central Bank of India or Punjab National Bank. Friends, so B is the right option. First nationalized bank in India is RBI. So next one हम देखेंगे Government of India nationalized the 14 largest commercial banks on which year and date, whether June 19, 1969, July 19, 1969, August 15, 1969, whether October 2, 1969. So friends, so it's the B. So it's the B is the right option. It's A, B, C, D. So here 19th July 1969, the government of India nationalized the 14 major or largest private commercial banks. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया nationalized 6 scheduled commercial banks on which date, whether January 15, 1980 or February 15, 1980, March 15, 1980, April 15, 1980. Friends, so D is the right option. Government of India nationalized GD 6 more scheduled commercial banks on 15th April 1980. Next one हम देखेंगे वैलिडिटी पीरियड ऑफ ए चेक इज what 2 months from the date of issue or 3 months from date of issue or 6 months from date of issue or unlimited time period. So friends, so D is the right option. Validity period of a check is what 3 months from the date of issue. Next one, which deposits accounts earns a higher interest rate, whether RD account or savings accounts or fixed deposits accounts or current account. Friends, so C is the right option. Fixed deposits accounts gives or earns higher interest rate as compared to the RD account, savings bank account, and bank does not give any interest to or on current account. Next one हम देखेंगे under Atal Pension Yojana APY, the fixed pension can be selected from whether rupees 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. B it's 1000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. C it's 1000, 2000, 5000, 6000, 7000. Whether it's 1000, 2000, 5000, 7000, 10,000. Friends, so A is the right option. Under the Atal Pension Yojana, fixed pension can be selected from whether 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 or 5000. Accordingly, a customer will pay the premium amount. So it's a very good scheme given by the government of India. Friends, if you have not availed this scheme, kindly avail it and go to the nearest branch for detailed information. So I have already told to my students, friends, some maximum students, friends, so they have already availed the Atal pension scheme. It's the very good scheme. So next one, Bank Mitra is a what? Whether the banking correspondence engaged by banks or security guard in a branch for a banking employee or credit worthiness customer of a bank. So friends, here A is the right option. Bank Mitra is a banking correspondence engaged by banks. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे इंटरेस्ट ऑन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट रिसिप्ट्स FDRs इज कंपाउंडेड ऑन व्हिच बेसिस, वेदर ईयरली बेसिस और हाफ ईयरली बेसिस और क्वार्टरली बेसिस और मंथली बेसिस. सो फ्रेंड्स, सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. इंटरेस्ट ऑन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट रिसिप्ट्स इज कंपाउंडेड ऑन क्वार्टरली बेसिस. सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखें मैक्सिमम टाइम पीरियड ऑफ फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट इज व्हाट, वेदर 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. Friends, so D is the right option. Maximum time period of fixed deposit is 10 years. Next one हम देखेंगे minimum time period of fixed deposit is what, whether 7 days or 15 days or 21 days or 30 days. So friends, the minimum time period of fixed deposit is 7 days. Next one हम देखेंगे that is the mutilated notes, what, whether should be burnt away or should be discarded or are broken into multiple pieces or both A and B. Friends, so C is the right option. So mutilated notes are broken into multiple notes. Next one हम देखेंगे coins are issued by whom, whether RBI or government of India or public sector banks or concerned commercial banks. So friends, so here so coins are issued by government of India and the Ministry of Finance. Next one हम देखेंगे first demonetization India took place on which date, or January 12, it's 1946, or February 12, 1946, March 12, 1946, or April 12, 1946. So friends, so A is the right option. First demonetization in India was taken place on January 12, 1946. So last demonetization in India took place on which date, whether May 8, 2016, or July 8, 2016, or November 8, 2016, or December 8, 2016. Friends, C is the right option. Last demonetization in India took place or was taken place on November 8, 2016. Next one हम देखेंगे RBI declared the withdrawal of 2000 notes as a part of its clean note policy when it's the 19th March 2023, 19th April 2023, 19th May 2023 or it's a 19th June 2023. So friends, so RBI declared the withdrawing of 2000 notes as a part of its clean note policy on 19th May 2023. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे डैश इज नॉट ए प्रोहिबिटेड एक्ट इन सिक्योरिटी मार्केट whether margin trading, insider trading or price rigging, none of these. So friends, so ये मतलब the margin trading is not a prohibited act in security market. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे which one is called the traffic in securities, whether warsales or arbitrage or insider trading or price rigging. So friends, it's a okay, B is the right option. It's a that is the arbitrage is called, that is the traffic in securities. Next one हम देखेंगे the merchant banker coordinating a public issue is known as what, whether it's the post issue manager or syndicator or lead manager or fund manager. Friends, so C is the right option. The merchant banker coordinate a public issue is known as what, the lead manager. Next one हम देखेंगे which one is dealing in securities done by those who having access to price sensitive information, whether insider trading or price rigging, or it's the merchant banker or it's the margin trading. So friends, so here it's the insider trading. A is the right option. So insider trading is dealing in securities done by those who are having access to price sensitive information. So A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा और डैश the process of converting the dematerialized shares into the physical certification, whether demutualization or dematerialization or mutualization or dematerialization. Friends, so B is the right option. मतलब rematerialization is the process of converting the dematerialized shares into the physical certificates. Next one हम देखेंगे it's the GIC, LIC, UTI are the example of what, whether the investment institutions or developmental banks or banking institution or non-banking financial institutions. So friends, so D is the right option. So LIC and the GIC, UTI, so they are the development, non-NBFC, or we can say that is the developmental financial institutions. Next one हम देखेंगे in which types of leasing the risk of obsolescence is assumed by lessee, whether operating risks or financial risks or sales and lease back or leveraged lease. So friends, so B is the right option. In a financial lease, the risk of obsolescence is assumed by the lessee. Next one हम देखेंगे which one is the venture capital assistant at the stage where the project started to face profit but not reached in its fully efficiency, whether it's the bridge capital or seed capital or mezzanine capital or second round capital. Friends, so C is the right option. So mezzanine capital is the venture capital assistance at the stage where the project started to face the profit but not reached in its fully efficiency. C is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे dash or dash variety of mutual fund is regarded as the next X, whether growth funds or fund of funds or tax saving mutual fund or hybrid fund. Friends, so B is the right option. Fund of funds, variety of mutual fund is regarded as a next X. So B is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे credit rating information services of India Limited. I mean friends, it's the CRISIL was founded in which year, whether 1987, 1990 or 1992 or 1993. Friends, so A is the right option. So CRISIL was founded in or established in which year? 1987. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे क्रेडिट रेटिंग इंडिकेट्स व्हाट, whether overall efficiency of a company or management efficiency of a company or financial status of a company, or D it's all of this. So friends, so C is the right option. Credit rating indicates what? The financial status of a company. Next one हम देखेंगे fast credit rating agency of India is who? A it's CRISIL, B it's the investment information credit rating agency of India मतलब ICRA लिमिटेड, सी इट्स द केयर क्रेडिट एनालिसिस एंड रिसर्च लिमिटेड, डी इट्स द इंडिया रेटिंग एंड रिसर्च प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. सो फ्रेंड्स क्रिसिल इज द फास्ट मतलब आई फास्ट क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी इन इंडिया इज क्रिसिल. सो नेक्स्ट वन द प्रोसेस in which the liquid assets are converted into marketable securities, it's called, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's the mutualization or factoring or securitization or forfeiting. Friends, so C is the right option. The process in which the illiquid assets are converted into marketable securities, it's known as a securitization. So next one हम देखेंगे the dollar version of index of a BSE. Friends, it's the Bombay Stock Exchange is called what? Whether Sensex or Dollex or S&P BSE or DAI. Friends, so B is the right option. The dollar version of a index of BSE is called what? The Dollex. Next one हम देखेंगे DAS is a link between the depository and owner of the depository system, whether issuing company or custodian or depository participants or a register and transfer agent. So register, friends, it's typing error is there. So register, friends, so C is the right option. Depository participant is a link between depository and the owner in a depository system. Next one हम देखेंगे ALBF. Friends, it's what is this? Automated lending and borrowing mechanism was introduced by whom? Whether it's the National Securities Depository Limited, that is the NSDL, or whether CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited, or that is the SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, or it's the National Security Clearing Corporation Limited, NSCCL. Friends, so D is the right option. ALBM was introduced by NSCCL. D is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे इन लिस्टेड सिक्योरिटीज ग्रुप ए शेयर्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट, whether cleared securities, specified securities, C it's the non-specified securities, D it's both A and B. Friends, so D is the right option. In listed securities group A shares are called what? The cleared securities as well as the specified shares. So next one हम देखेंगे इन listed securities group B shares are called what? Whether non-cleared securities or non-specified shares or specified shares, D it's both A and B. Friends, so D is the right option. In listed securities group B shares are called what? The non-cleared securities as well as the non-specified securities. Next one हम देखेंगे SIDB, Small Industry Development Bank of India. Its establishment year है 1990. is fully owned subsidiary of whether SEBI or NABARD or IDBI or RBI. Friends, so C is the right option. IDBI, friends, it's Industrial Development Bank of India. Its establishment year is 1964. SIDB is fully owned subsidiary of किसका? IDBI का. So next one हम देखेंगे the full form of it's AMBI is what? Whether A it's the Association of Merchant Banks in India, B it's the Association of Management of Banks in India, or Asset Management of Banks in India, or Association of Management of Bankers in India. Friends, so A is the right option. The full form of AMBI, it's A stands for Association, then of M stands for Merchant, B stands for Banks in India. So it is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे The majority shareholders in CRISIL are whether Moody's Investor Services or Finch Rating Inc. Friends is Incorporated, or Dun Bradstreet, or Standard and Poor SP Standard and Poor Global. Okay, it's a INC, friends, it's a Incorporated. So friends, so D is the right option. The majority shareholders in CRISIL are the S&P Global Incorporated. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is referred as both fee based and the fund based financial services, whether factoring or underwriting or hire purchase or leasing. So friends, so B is the right option. So underwriting is referred as both fee based as well as the fund based financial services. So the underwriter will charge the fees on the subscription of the debenture as well as the shares. Next one हम देखेंगे तो फर्स्ट इंडियन बैंक स्टार्टेड द मर्चेंट बैंकिंग डिवीजन इन इंडिया, whether इको बैंक और पंजाब नेशनल बैंक और स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया और कैनरा बैंक. सो फ्रेंड्स सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो फर्स्ट इंडियन बैंक मतलब द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्टेड द मर्चेंट बैंकिंग डिवीजन फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे स्ट्रिप्स स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट, whether A it's a security trading of registered interest and principal securities, B it's a separate trading of registered interest and principal of securities, C separate trading of registered investment and principal of securities, D it's a stock trading of registered interest and principal securities. So friends, so B is the right option. So strip का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? इट्स सेपरेट ट्रेडिंग ऑफ रजिस्टर्ड इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटीज. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखें QIPS stands for what? No doubt friends, it's the qualified institutional, it's the placement. What is this? So QIP through this a way for listing companies to raise the capital by issuing the equity to qualified institutional investor. So it's the meaning of QIPS or qualified institutional placement. Next one हम देखें बोल्ड stands for what? Whether bond online trading or Bombay online trading or bond online transactions or BSE online trading. Friends, so it's the Bombay online trading. So bold stands for what? Or full form of bold is Bombay online trading. B is the right option. So next one हम देखें Depository Act is what? Whether 1993, 1994 or 1995 or 1996. So friends, so D is the right option. Depository Act is 1996. D is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे NSDL. It's a National Security Deposit Limited has been established in whether it's the April 1996 or May 1996 or August 1996 or October 1996. So friends, C is the right option. NSDL has been established in August 1996. Similarly, CTSL, that is the Central Depository Services Limited, has been established in whether January 1999 or February 1999 or it's March 1999 or April 1999. So friends, so it's B is the right option. CTSL has been established in February 1999. Next one हम देखेंगे the full form of CBLO. What? Whether that is the collateralized borrowings and lending obligations, or it's the collateralized borrowing and loan obligations. C it's the commercial bank and lending option. D it's the convertible bonds and lending option. So friends, so A is the right option. CBLO, it stands for that is the collateralized borrowing and lending option. A is the right option. So next one हम देखेंगे what is CBLO का काम क्या है. So CBLO is a money market instrument that represents an obligation between a borrower and a lender concerning terms and conditions of a loan. आइए हम देखेंगे which one is the following from the following gives the long term finance. Whether ICICI establishment year क्या है 1955 और IFCI इट्स एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर क्या है 1948 और IDBI इट्स एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर ये क्या है 1964. D इट्स ऑल द फ्रेंड्स. So D is the right option. So ICICI as well as the IFCI as well as the IDBI, so they provide the long term finance to the industry or to the business. So friends, these are the okay full form. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे which method is the suitable method for the small companies to issue the share, whether public issue, private placement, rights issue, offer for sale. So friends, so B is the right option. So private placement, this method is a suitable method where the small companies can issue the shares to raise the fund. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे DFSI, Discount and Finance House of India, was set up in pursuance of the recommendations of which committee, whether Vogel committee or the Malcolm committee or Malhotra committee or Narasimhan committee. Friends, so A is the right option. DFSI was set up in the pursuance of the recommendations of the Vogel committee. A is the right option. Next one हम देखेंगे who acts as an intermediary between the government and money market, whether commercial banks or RBI or SEBI or IDBI. Friends, so B is the right option. RBI acts as an intermediary between government and money market. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे RBI commenced its operation, मतलब operation on whether 1st March 1934 or it's 1st April 1934. C, it's the 1st March 1935. D is the 1st April 1935. Friends, so D is the right option. RBI commenced its functioning on 1st April 1935. Next one हम देखेंगे which one is not a regulatory body in Indian financial system, CIBIL, SEBI, RBI, IRDA. Friends, so A is the right option. So CIBIL is not a regulatory body in Indian financial system. So it's friends, so SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Reserve Bank of India, IRDA, Insurance and Regulatory Development Authority of India. In previous video I have already discussed what is the meaning of CIBIL. So again हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. क्रेडिट इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो इंडिया लिमिटेड, CIBIL was it's founded in August 2000 and it's is a fast credit information firm of India. So next one हम देखेंगे which principles insurance means maximum truth, whether principles of subrogation or principles of uberima fides or principles of contributions or principles of it's insurable interest. So friends, B is the right option. I mean the principles of uberima fides in insurance means maximum truth. So it's the principles about the almost good principles of almost good faith. So next one, the first Indian life insurance company is what, whether the Bombay Mutual Assurance Limited or Oriental Life Insurance Company, or it's a Bombay Mutual Life Insurance Society or Calcutta Mutual Assurance Society Limited. Friends, so B is the right option. Its establishment year is 1818. The first, that is the life insurance company so far as or in Indian soil. So friends, it's the last but not the least, a marine insurance is a contract of what, whether indemnity or maturity or increment or none of these. So friends, so A is the right option. A marine insurance is a contract of indemnity. So friends, so these are all about the 70 vital MCQs from the financial services. So friends, I am hopeful that so you have learned a lot. Again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if you mismatch or any gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So again, I am requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, kindly share it, kindly forward it. So thanks a million to all of you.